Looking for a statement wood burner that combines modern design with serious heating power? Then let me introduce you to the Rocal Vesta Frontal. Let's get into it. A sleek wood burning stove that's as much an art piece as it is a heater. The Vesta Frontal is a contemporary minimalist cylindrical wood burner with clean lines and a large curved glass window for an uninterrupted fire view. The thickness of the tube above and below the fire makes this fire blend into its surroundings. But it's not just about looks. This stove punches above its weight when it comes to performance. With a nominal heat output of 8.6 kilowatts, it's ideal for medium to large size spaces, and thanks to Rocal's high 88% efficiency, you get more heat with less wood. Under the main firebox, you've got a single primary and secondary air control slider for precision burning, an air wash system that keeps the glass clean, and boost air to help get the fire started. Thanks to the curved, well-insulated firebox that keeps the efficiency so high, it also injects the combustion air at angles, which creates this enticing vortex flame effect. The Vesta Frontal can be installed in one of three different ways. It's shown here with the freestanding foot, which allows it to be installed on the floor either against a wall or into a corner. It can alternatively be hung from the ceiling so that it floats above the floor. The frontal can also be wall mounted via this plateau, which can be used both against a wall or in a corner, again giving it a floating effect, perfect for modern interiors. There's also another version of the Vesta available, a central model that has glass on both sides, which is perfect for the middle of a room. Whether you're going for a minimalist Scandi vibe or a bold contemporary look, the Vesta Frontal fits right in. Now this stove is for anyone who loves a clean, modern aesthetic, but still wants a high-performance wood burner. So let us know what you think of the new Rocal Vesta Frontal and Central models in the comments below, and if you'd like to see a full stove spotlight on either of these stoves, then be sure to hit that like button. Now we work as agents for Rocal, establishing a network of stove showrooms and installers across the UK. So if you'd like to see more on the Vesta stove, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for more stove spotlights and wood burner insights. From compact fireplace stoves to 360-degree masterpieces like this, and everything in between.